it's true. You want to make money online and you're looking at master affiliate profits and you're asking yourself, is this a platform that is worth investing in? Is this a platform that can help me make money online? And the answer, quite simply, is yes. My name's Dori O'Neill, and I am an original map backer. I invested in the Master Affiliate Profits platform more than 11 months ago. I invested before there was any code written, before there was a website to look at, and I did that because I saw the original specifications for the Master Affiliate Profits platform. So, do I have the qualifications to make a decision on whether or not Master Affiliate Profits is the game changer that John Thornhill and Omar and Melinda Martin claim that it is? Well, the answer to that is yes. You see, I've lived a blessed life. I've been very fortunate in business. The company that I owned and operated, that I'm known worldwide for being a co-owner of, was essentially Yours Industries. And you can see right behind me there, that EYI, that's basically a plaque I received for taking the company public on the New York Stock Exchange and raising a bunch of money for it. That company was able to generate $1.2 billion in retail sales. We had 550,000 distributors worldwide in multiple languages. And my responsibility was I was not only a co-owner, but I was the chief operations officer specializing in IT. So I assembled the IT department. I was able, working with my IT team, to get the traffic flowing in to the EYI site to the tune that it beat General Motors in daily traffic. And that was quite an accomplishment. We were at one point 26th in the world. So I don't tell you that to brag. I tell you that to explain to you that I have been around the global internet for decades. And looking at the infrastructure and the schematics for Master Affiliate Profits way back a year ago, I saw what was missing from the affiliate marketing world, and I decided to back it. I decided to back it at such a level that when they did launch, John and Omar launched phase 2, I became the very first person to make a sale for a lifetime license in Master Affiliate Profit. And since then, I brought in some key individuals into my team. You see, my mission is to take my good fortune and pay it forward to you. My mission is to help you and others that join my team or a member of my team's team make money online. It's plain and simple. And I have the skill set, I have the team members, and I have the bonuses that will make that happen. So the first thing that I did when the platform was being coded was I started working with my good friend and colleague, Mike Filsame, who owns Groove Agency. And I created a draft of a YouTube viral funnel using Paul Murphy's templates, which I'm a member, current in good standing with Paul Murphy, and we created a YouTube viral funnel. I then created it in such a way that Mike Filsame of Groove, was able to review what I created, and he fixed it. He made it better than what I did because Mike is much better at funnels than I am. And we created a successful YouTube viral funnel. So a YouTube viral funnel is all about Master Affiliate Profits. It allows somebody to enter into the funnel for free, and over a 10-day period, receiving one video per day, they are educated on the features and benefits of Master Affiliate Profits. And it increases the enrollment rate, but it also, more importantly, increases the knowledge of the platform and gives people a head start immediately. But I took it one step further. I took this funnel, which I invested about $25,000 in creating, and I cloned it. So when somebody joins my team in Master Affiliate Profits, and they become a paid member, whether it's through the lifetime accounts or any of the paid tiers, I immediately give them a done for you YouTube viral funnel with your Master Affiliate Profits link in it, your AWeber form, all designed to help you grow free traffic. I also give you systems for free that allow you to drive immediate free traffic. And I even give that system to free members. But all in all, that's part of what my team is delivering. So I give you all of these things, but there's another element to it. You need to develop a YouTube channel. What if I told you that not only do I teach you how to create a YouTube channel specific to Master Affiliate Profits, but I also show you how to tie that in to this YouTube viral funnel that not only do I give it to you, I host it and maintain it. So you've got this YouTube viral funnel and you're getting the free traffic from the other software platform that I give you for free. But then I give you access to my Mentors by Masters program. You see, I'm the founder of Mentors by Masters, Mentored by Masters. And as part of becoming a member, and this is even available for free members, I give you access to Mentored by Masters. And what we do is we hold regular training sessions live on Zoom-like calls. You'll be able to ask your questions. We believe in helping you succeed. So there's no dumb questions. If you need help setting up your email, if you need help just understanding something that may be obvious to most experienced people, but it's not obvious to you, we're there to help. And that will be ongoing. And it's not just me. I have a full-time employee, Jody Moore, who's been with me for 15 years. She was the general manager of my company. She's there to assist you. We have other people like Jay Sargent, who is the father of neuro-linguistic programming. He's there to help you and assist you. We have other people like Nick Kovac, who was a VP with Sony, and he's there. He currently lives in Japan, and he'll touch on international markets. We have David Mead, who earned $600,000 in the work from home industry. David Kleinman, who is a internet security expert, who is there. And all of us together, we have Barbara Gluckman, who works in crypto and other areas and is an online marketer in her own rights. And together, we're providing these extra resources for free, never a charge, over and above what MAP offers you. So when you join the Master Affiliate Profits, yes, you get access to the platform. Yes, you get access to the training, depending on what level you join Master Affiliate Profits at. But what we do is we provide you with the done-for-you bonuses that allow you to make money instantly. And that's what everyone wants. Everyone wants to make money faster, easier, without the hassles. So I encourage you to take a look at my YouTube viral funnel, and you can get there by going to yesshowme.com/map. That's yesshowme.com/map. Just enroll, go through the 10-day video course. And while you're going through that course, realize that when you become a paid member of MAP, you're going to get an exact clone copy of that YouTube viral funnel for free. And it's going to have your master affiliate profits links. You're going to learn how to create your own YouTube viral channel that will drive traffic from your YouTube videos. And you don't worry, you don't have to have your face on the videos. It's all simple, easy. I will disclose to you every bit of software that I use. Some of it you can use for free. Some of it you have the option to pay a small monthly fee and gain access to it. Nothing to do with me. It's just what I use to create my videos. And this will put you in a position to earn money right away. And the last big secret that I'll share before I close out this video is I give you access to my AI advertising platform. Imagine being able to get leads in to master affiliate profits as low as 12 cents a lead. And I provide you with the training and the knowledge on how to do that. My name's Dori O'Neill. Take my free test drive by going to yesshowme.com/map. And I'll see you on the success side of Master Affiliate Profits. And I look forward to meeting you on many of our live sessions calls. Goodbye.